This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, Discord launches a new in-app soundboard feature, Microsoft kills the ability to emulate older games on Xbox Series X and S, Waze reviews a new customized drive feature, and more. Discord, the popular messaging app and voice chat app, is launching its own in-app soundboard feature for voice channels. The feature allows users to play a variety of sounds during voice conversations, whether for entertainment or as a form of playful trolling. The soundboard has previously been available to a limited number of communities, but it will now be rolled out to all users over the coming weeks, according to a blog post by Discord. The catch, however, is that the soundboard can only be used on the desktop app and not on mobile devices. Users on mobile will be able to hear the sound but will not be able to use the soundboard themselves. Nitro subscribers who pay for Discord's premium service will also be able to use their own uploaded sounds across multiple servers. The soundboard feature is expected to be a popular addition, as users had previously had to rely on third-party software to use a soundboard with Discord. In other news, on April 6, Microsoft shut down the ability for users to easily emulate older games on Xbox Series X and S, causing frustration amongst the retro gaming community. Previously, users were able to download and run emulators for dozens of old consoles, but now they receive an error message telling them that such programs violate Microsoft's SOAR policy. This change in policy has left many users unable to access their collection of classic games, even if they already downloaded the emulator. Although Microsoft has cracked down on emulator apps in the past, this recent change has caught many enthusiasts off guard. Running emulators in the console's developer mode remains an option, but access to that feature requires a $20 fee and isn't always available to owners in regions where online payment systems are harder to access. The Xbox Series X and S was previously known for its openness and welcoming approach to indie devs and gaming preservationists. It was like the Steam Deck of consoles, allowing users to install various emulators and emulator front ends. However, this recent crackdown has left some wondering if Microsoft is responding to pressure from competitors like Nintendo, who are notoriously anti-emulation. Despite the frustration and call for Microsoft to reverse their decision, a Microsoft spokesman stated that emulators violate Microsoft's SOAR policy and are not allowed on any device. Waze is a navigation app that offers a unique and playful take on getting you from point A to point B. The app features a bubbly design, a variety of voice directions, and community features not found on other navigation apps. With the introduction of the new Customize Your Drive feature, Waze is aiming at enhancing the user experience even further by allowing users to customize the visual and audios during their drive. The Customize Your Drive feature will transform the navigation experience by adding new sounds, voices, icons, and even moods to the app. The app will use existing elements like voices, but will also add new elements like custom vehicle art to enhance the user experience. The feature offers a variety of options to choose from, with something for everyone, and the company has promised to update the themes in the future, possibly even introducing holiday-themed options. The Zodiac enhancement is another interesting addition to the navigation app and will bring different themes and moods to match your sign, and there will even be an astrological guide paired with directions. This feature will be available to users around the world. Italy's decision to temporarily ban OpenAI's language model ChatGPT due to concerns over data privacy and protection has inspired other European countries to consider taking similar measures. While the European parliamentarians are still debating the content and reach of the EU AI Act, some regulators are finding that existing tools such as the General Data Protection Regulation or GDPR can be applied to generative AI companies like OpenAI. Generative AI relies on algorithms to generate human-like responses to text queries based on analyzing large volumes of data, some of which may be owned by the internet users. Regulators in France and Ireland have reached out to their counterparts in Italy to learn more about the basis of the ban, while the German Commissioner for Data Protection has suggested that Germany may also consider blocking ChatGPT over data security concerns. However, the privacy regulators in Sweden has no plans to ban ChatGPT, and Spain's regulator has not received any complaints but has not ruled out the future investigation. The Italian authorities' move was aimed at starting a dialogue with OpenAI to address the issues raised over ChatGPT's compliance with the EU data protection rules rather than to ban the tool, according to a source familiar with the matter. OpenAI has not responded to regulators over the weekend, and the company has taken ChatGPT offline in Italy on Friday. OpenAI has said that it actively works to reduce personal data in training its AI systems and has no offices in the European Union. While the Italian regulator has only singled out ChatGPT so far due to its popularity, other AI platforms such as Google's Bard might also face scrutiny. Finally, Microsoft Edge is a popular web browser and has now introduced a new block option for autoplay videos, which has been a highly requested feature by users. Previously, Edge only offered a limit option that allowed videos to autoplay depending on whether the user had visited the page before and how they interacted with it. However, the new block option will provide users with a more restrictive autoplay experience. The Microsoft Edge team has started testing out the new block edition with Edge testers in the Canary channel. They have also been rolling out the feature to some other Canary users with plans to make it available to some customers over the coming weeks. Enabling the flag will allow users to turn on the block option to the site permissions/media autoplay section of Edge settings on the regular stable release of the browser. This way, they can have immediate access to the new feature without waiting for the official rollout. In addition to the autoplay video block feature, Microsoft is also planning to introduce a built-in cryptocurrency wallet for Edge. This will be a useful addition for those who are involved in cryptocurrency and want a more streamlined way to interact with the Web3 application. This has been your daily tech news, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.